The benefits of practicing yoga in the morning are numerous. A 5-minute routine can provide a much-needed boost to start your day off right. Morning yoga can help to increase circulation, providing energy to your body and brain. It can also help to relieve stress and tension, leaving you feeling more relaxed and focused throughout the day. A consistent morning yoga practice can improve flexibility, strength, and balance over time. Practicing yoga in the morning can also improve overall sleep quality, making it easier to fall asleep and stay asleep at night. In addition, it can improve digestion and help to regulate the metabolism. By starting your day with a short yoga routine, you set a positive tone for the rest of your day and create a space for mindfulness and self-care. Poses. A 5-minute yoga routine can include a variety of poses, depending on your level of experience and your personal goals. Some popular poses to include in a morning routine include sun salutations, downward facing dog, warrior eye, and triangle pose. These poses help to stretch and strengthen the entire body, while also improving balance and coordination. In addition, they can help to relieve tension and stress, providing a sense of calm and focus. Breathing techniques, such as yogi breath or alternate nostril breathing, can also be incorporated into a morning yoga routine to enhance the overall experience. Motivation. Staying motivated to practice yoga daily can be a challenge, but there are a few tips that can help. One strategy is to set a specific goal or intention for your practice each day. This could be as simple as wanting to feel more energized or focused throughout the day. Another strategy is to create a consistent routine by practicing at the same time each morning. This helps to create a habit and makes it easier to stick to your practice. Additionally, finding a community or accountability partner can provide motivation and support. Finally, it's important to remember that progress takes time and to celebrate small successes along the way. Modifications. While a 5-minute yoga routine is a great way to start your day, it's important to make any necessary modifications or adjustments based on your individual needs. For example, if you have an injury or limitation, certain poses may need to be modified or avoided altogether. It's also important to listen to your body and not push yourself beyond your limits. If you're new to yoga, it may be helpful to start with beginner-level poses and gradually work your way up. Additionally, props such as blocks or straps can be used to assist with poses and make them more accessible. Mental clarity. A consistent morning yoga routine can help to enhance mental clarity and promote a positive mindset throughout the day. Mental clarity is essential for concentration, decision-making, and problem-solving, and starting your day with a few minutes of yoga can help you achieve this state of mind. Yoga poses like the tree pose and the eagle pose can improve balance and stability, which in turn can help to increase focus and concentration. Additionally, practicing the downward-facing dog and child's pose can help to release tension and promote relaxation, which can reduce stress and improve mental clarity. Apart from asanas, breathing exercises or pranayama can help calm the mind and reduce anxiety. Practicing deep breathing techniques like the ujjayi or the alternate nostril breathing can oxygenate the brain, reduce stress and anxiety, and promote mental clarity. Taking some time for yourself in the morning, even if it's just a few minutes, can help you set a positive tone for the rest of your day. By incorporating yoga into your morning routine, you can cultivate a calm and focused mind, and enjoy the mental clarity that comes with it. Start with simple poses and breathing exercises, and gradually increase the intensity and duration of your practice as you become more comfortable. Mental clarity is essential to our daily lives as it enables us to focus and achieve our goals. However, it's common to feel overwhelmed or distracted, especially in today's fast-paced world. Fortunately, practicing yoga is an effective way to improve mental clarity and increase focus. Flexibility. Flexibility is an important aspect of overall fitness, and incorporating yoga into your morning routine can help improve flexibility. By stretching and holding poses, you can increase your range of motion and prevent injuries. The 5-minute yoga routine outlined in this video includes poses specifically designed to target areas that often become tight, such as the hamstrings, hips, and lower back. Over time, you may find that you are able to move more easily and with less discomfort in your daily life. Stress relief. One of the most significant benefits of a morning yoga routine is its ability to reduce stress. Stress can have negative effects on both our physical and mental health, and it's important to find ways to manage it. Yoga has been shown to lower cortisol levels, a hormone associated with stress, and increase feelings of relaxation and calmness. The breathing techniques used in yoga can also help to calm the mind and reduce anxiety. Incorporating even just a few minutes of yoga into your morning routine can help set a positive tone for the rest of your day. Better posture. Many of us spend a significant amount of time sitting at desks or looking down at our phones, which can lead to poor posture. A morning yoga routine can help to counteract this by strengthening the muscles that support good posture. The poses in this 5-minute routine focus on opening up the chest and shoulders, which can help improve alignment and reduce tension in the neck and upper back. By incorporating yoga into your morning routine, you may find that you sit up straighter and experience less discomfort throughout the day. Improved sleep. The benefits of a morning yoga routine can extend beyond just the morning hours. By incorporating yoga into your daily routine, you may find that you sleep more soundly at night. Yoga has been shown to improve the quality of sleep and reduce the amount of time it takes to fall asleep. The breathing techniques used in yoga can also help to calm the mind and prepare the body for rest. By committing to a 5-minute yoga routine each morning, you may be setting yourself up for a more restful night's sleep. Overall wellness. Overall wellness is the ultimate goal of any fitness routine, and a morning yoga routine can contribute to this in a number of ways. By improving flexibility, reducing stress, improving posture, and promoting better sleep, yoga can help to improve your physical and mental health. In addition, taking a few minutes each morning to focus on yourself and your well-being can set a positive tone for the rest of the day. The 5-minute yoga routine outlined in this video is a simple and effective way to incorporate yoga into your daily routine and improve your overall wellness.